fingers and he snapped. It's 17, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. What we gonna do? We gonna escape Granny. Yeah, we gonna escape Granny. But first, I don't want to. But first, we're gonna find old key. Old key. Let's start. Always look in the upstairs. Always look upstairs. Oh, okay. Oh, what? Brown key. Probably the green key. Okay. Let me get it. Okay, now we can get them. Getting the weapon key is so freaking easy. Oh, hey teddy bear. I got the teddy bear. I got the teddy bear. It don't matter. I got the teddy bear. Now, Grannis, don't be mad at me. Hey, Grannis, what's doing? I got your teddy bear. Grannis. Hey, Grannis, what's doing? Grannis! 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 Oh, stop! Grannis, what are you doing? Where's Grannis? She got. Oh, my teddy bear. And my teddy bear. Oh, Grannis! 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 Grannis, go. Alright, go try and watch Grannis. Oh! Grannis! Why did you have to do that? Oh! Grannis? Grannis, I'm not in the rocket to eat that fire girl. I'm not in the rocket. Grannis? Grannis, I am going to murk you! You're killing me! And you stole my teddy bear, Grannis. I'm done. I stole my teddy bear. That's a boy. Grannis! Grannis! No! No! If you're watching this video, if you're a YouTuber, please comment down in this video. Cause I shot Grannis like 6 times and she ain't got. What is this? What is this? What is this game? Well, okay, I don't want that twink gun, alright? One thing I care about right now is leaving Grannis. Where is Grannis? Where's Grannis? I think Grannis is down over here. Oh! It's time to do a little bit of secret quick. She in here. Oh! Grannis! Yes! Thank you so much. Good job, Grannis. Where did purple? Hey, the purple key. Where am I? Okay. We're gonna do. We're gonna go down in the basement. See, this is the outside. If you watch FDTV, he's an awesome YouTuber. He does great. And if you're oh, the kid. Oh I just need to wait. What else? Glennis, why? Glennis, why do you have to do this? Hey, Glennis, what's going? Oh! Yo, she whacked it through the wall! Yo, what is wrong with you? Glennis. What did I talk about? I said, you hit me, you want to be 20,000 over. But I don't know the code. But where's the code? Where's the code? It's probably hidden somewhere. Where's the code? I can't. Oh, I can. But where's the code? Oh my gosh, I'm checking in the attic. If it's not in the attic, I'm gonna be done. Then, oh, I know the code. I know the code. I might. I'm going to escape credit. I forgot. Did you just wet me? Did you just wet me with the wag? Are you wagging? Are you wagging wag? Are you wagging wag? No, you're wagging wag. Oh, that just went on my head. Oh, Glennis. Alright. I got everything. What? Oh, it gave me everything. Look! I got the blue key. We trying to look for the gray key and the regular key. But what's the code? That's what I don't think so. What? It's mine. Oh, I'm a naked. Oh, where's the blue key? Where's the bluest? I'm gonna find code. I will find code first. That's our back. You have all the keys. How many keys do you have? Ha! Do you have a blue key? Do you have a gray key? Do you have the regular key? Yes! That's so fair! We're not going to escape when Grannis is trying to kill us! Oh, oh yes. Snowball Pixie 8, come on. Time to go. Hey! Hey! You better give me my blue key. Boy! Alright, let's go. Alright, you ready? Got the blue key. Come on! Blue key. Shit. Come on, dude. No! Okay. The code is 6666. Yeah. 666. Ah! Look. 666. Enter. Yes! We beat the game! Yes! We beat me! Yay! What's in here? Oh. Hey. I want to turn on my phone. I want to hear that music. You know what? Guys, we're going to be nearby Gwen. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go beat the game back again. This key, great key, regular key. This. What did you do that? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe on this channel and subscribe on my sister's channel, Rainbow Pixie 8 Show, which her Roblox name is Snowball Pixie 8. And we will see you in the next video. Bye! How do you turn this thing on? Bleepers. Oh my gosh! There's Granny. I'm trying to. Granny! Granny! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Granny. Oh my gosh. Granny, why do you have to. Don't! Bleepers, I'm out. Nope, I can't do it. Nope, I can't.